Hi guys, today's video is very helpful for you. Today we will teach you 4 different tricks that will be beneficial for both boys and girls. And you will tell us which is the best trick for you in these tricks. So let's start, and don't miss any part of this video if you want to learn these techniques. Technique number 1, guys, if he grabs you from behind and pins you against the wall, then what should you do here? If he is not too close to you, then here you have to do this trick. First of all, you will grab your hand with the other hand like this and pull downward by using your both arm force like this, and you can see his arm will twist and he feel pain. And here you will use your shoulder strength and turn your body like this, and he feel pain more, and you can lock him like this. Trick number 2, guys, if he control you like this, then here you can use very easy trick, and also this technique can do girls. Here you can grab any finger of his hand. When you press his finger, he feel pain too much and he will leave you very fast, and you can do any attack. Technique number 3, this technique special for boys because they are stronger than girls, so they can do easily this technique. Step number 1, you will put your hands on the wall like this and push back with your arm force like this, and then turn back and lift your arm up and lock his both arms and punch on his ribs like this. Guys, please support us and share our video with your friends, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and tell us which is the favorite trick in these tricks. Thank you.